Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft build. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marui DeltaGru 416 NGRS. This one is a DeltaGru, it's bought new, but we've fit the Delta rail on there to give it that FDE look. Obviously got the new Pro sight on there, and then we've got the CTR Stock. So I think it sets the gun off quite nicely. So a different look. We've also got an internal build there that's quite high. So we've got the it's full level 10. So we've got the Prometheus gold trigger there, the Epsilon, and we've got a Jefftron Leviathon MOSFET. We've got the Psionic R-hop set. We've got obviously the Magpul CTR Stock and pad that's obviously been hollowed for 1300 batteries. We've got the Prometheus Tightbore 275. We've got the hardened castle nut here. I think this is a Cyclone one because we're out of stock of Laylax, and we've got the Laylax trigger pin on the side here. We've got the EagleSix upgrade spring M90. We've got EagleSix upgrade recoil spring, the Warhead high-speed motor, Prometheus tappet plate, Prometheus Air Nozzle, Prometheus bearings, Prometheus tappet plate, Prometheus Gears, FPS Piston Head, FPS Cylinder Head, FPS Cylinder, FPS Spring guide, and obviously, like I say, the Delta handguard on the front there. So that's pretty much everything. It's got 267 on 3.2s, and we've already tested it at range, and we just want to demonstrate it here for you on camera. There you go, so that is motoring. So yeah, lovely build. Hopefully you're happy with it, and yeah, I think anyone will be over the moon with a build like this. Yeah, we hope you enjoy. Obviously the performance is great. Any problems, let us know, but obviously we'll put the spec on the build video, you know, the description for the video, and otherwise we hope you have fun and have a great time with it. Thank you.